Hello everyone, it is Joyce from Pwuffy. Welcome back. And I'm trying to choose between face-to-face videos or these hand videos where you can see my creation at a better angle. Today we are going to be making something very simple, and it is called mushroom earrings. So as you can see, I have 2 red balls for the mushroom cap, 2 light brown balls for the mushroom stem, and 1 ball of white clay. I'm going to make dots with it later, and 2 eye pins that are gold. So the first thing we're going to do is make the mushroom cap because my red clay is harder than my light brown clay, and this likes to melt under the warmth of my fingers. And this is nice and firm, so I don't have to worry about swishing it. So what you're gonna do is take your red balls of clay and flatten them out into a dewdrop shape. Just tap around the sides until it is nice and curved. And I kind of want to make my mushroom a little fatter. I feel like it's cuter that way, so I'm gonna squeeze the sides so it's a little taller. This is good. And we are going to do the same for this one. Now that we have our 2 mushroom cap bases, we are going to go ahead and make little dots on the top of the mushroom because, you know, all the standard mushrooms have cute white dots on them. So what you're going to do is roll out your white ball of clay and take an X-Acto knife and cut really tiny pieces of white clay and roll them into balls. So I'm going to go ahead and make 12, and we will see how these dots will look on top of the mushroom. So here's our mushroom head, and we're just going to randomly place them anywhere on the mushroom. So this is my mushroom, and now we're going to do the same thing for this one. Perfect, and now these are our 2 mushrooms. And because the red part is much more firm than the light brown part here, I'm going to go ahead and screw on my eye pins right now so that it won't be harder to screw them on after I make the stem. Anyways, here are the mushroom tops with the eye pins, and I'm going to go ahead and make the stem. So for the stem, you're going to need a ball of light brown clay, and I think you just need 1 because you can just split it in half and make the 2 stems. So it's fairly simple. Just roll the ball on the surface until it is long enough for 2 mushroom stems, and I like to make my mushrooms stubby because I feel like that's cuter. So after that, all you have to do is cut it in half. So you can go ahead and round out the part that the knife cut. It's pretty easy. All you have to do is keep rolling it and pressing it on the top, and it's round enough so we can go ahead and put this under the mushroom cap. Very, very cute. So now I'm going to go ahead and do that for the other mushroom. And here are the 2 mushrooms. So now what I'm going to do is bake and glaze these cuties, and I will show you guys how they look. So these are the finished mushroom earrings, very small and cute and glossy. I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial, and let me know if you prefer these types of videos or face-to-face ones. Hope you guys have an amazing day.